go over some of the key functions that you will need to be familiar with to create your workflow. So it's in Tools, and it's this little gear that says Workflows. And so you create a new workflow. So be familiar with creating tasks. Now, tasks are more like checklists. They aren't things you're going to be necessarily sending to your client like a questionnaire or an email, but they're part of your process in which you need to remember to check off. For example, sending an invoice. You need to be familiar with the questionnaire function. So, for example, we do a tentative timeline. That's something that will automatically get sent to a client at a certain point. And then also sending emails, like we send a welcome email as soon as we activate the workflow. And then sending brochure, I don't think this is utilized as much as HoneyBook would like it to be utilized, but we do use it in one example.